There are two ways you can hang them. They have little nail bits. So what you do is if you want to actually nail them up, you can measure these. It's 2.76. So you can measure that on a fence or wherever you plan to hang them and then put the nails up and then slide them over the nails. But the way I prefer to do anything that I can is with these little stickers. And would you believe that they actually come with these, which almost never happens? I usually have my own. I keep them in stock at all times because I do not like trying to get the nails just right. So this is super easy to use, and you're going to put it exactly where the nails would go. It's just a little sticky bit. You just put it right there, peel off the back right before you hang it, and voila, they stay up. And so we'll hang these in just a second. And then I'm going to bring it back out at nighttime so you can see. You cannot see what they look like during the day. Here's the mode button. I hate these kinds of little buttons because you can't tell if they're on or off. And the instructions actually say if it's daylight to take it into a dark room to see if it's on or off. There's just no way to tell until it's night. So the other day I had 2 on and 2 off, and there's just in the daylight you don't know. So then you have to go outside and fiddle faddle with it until you get them all on. And then of course you've got the remote, which even with the remote, can't tell. See? On, off, literally no changes. So we'll come out here tonight and have a look at them. This is what happens when you live in Louisiana and you don't clean your mailbox. It gets all moldy. I wanted to put these on my mailbox because when I walk out here at night to check the mail, I don't want it to be dark where I can't see a thing. So we're going to put this right here. You just peel the backing off and press and hold. Hold it there. I usually count to 30 just to make sure it gets a good stick. You don't want them falling down on the ground and breaking, that's for sure. And that's the great thing about the sticky is that you can put them up anywhere. Now the light on my phone has come on, so it's a little bit brighter than what it would normally be. But without the light on my phone, I don't know how to turn it off. It just came on because it was dark out here. These work great. I'm gonna try to get. There we go. Did you see it come on? And there we go. They're great. You can I left the remote inside, so I can't show you. I'll have to do a second video with them. But you can change the lights. You can make them any color you want. You could have them go on and off. Are they sensory activated? I think they may be. Now, I just put these up today, so I'm not positive, but I think they may be sensory activated. Sensory, like when you walk past it, they go off and on. Because as I walk past, they go off. Huh, yep. You see that? So pretty good. I like having them out here on my mailbox, lighting it up over here. And I've also got some up on my path. So let's go have a look at those. Look how bright they are. Dadgummit, the light came on again. I'm super sorry that I can't show you this in the dark so you can see how bright they are, but they are very, very bright. And the minute I turn my phone on, the light comes on for some reason. Anyway, these are on the ground. These are not where I'm keeping them. I just wanted you to be able to see that they light up. If you were to put them on your path, how much light it would give off. Here's my kitty out here helping me film tonight. And the remote lets you change all the different colors, but I've just got them on the white because I wanted to be able to show you. So, now I can't because they're not doing a good job, but I'm going to try to get out here and figure out how to turn the light off of my phone so you can see how bright these things are. Oh, there we go. I figured it out. Now these are nice and bright. And if I step back here, you can see that they're really lighting up my path. They're very, very bright. Look at that. And I just have them on my sidewalk right now just to demonstrate. But look, you can even see them on the mailbox. Look at how bright they are on the mailbox. Now I do have a street light out there and it's keeping it lit, but you can see if you need some kind of a path or you want your fence to be lit up or whatever you need. These things are so nice and bright, and they just do a really good job. Plus, you could change the colors and have them any way you want. And I appreciate that. And then they're on a timer too, if I'm not mistaken. I don't have the remote out here, so I can't check it, but I think that's the case.